everyone, I'm Hotmian Sagala and I come from HKBP Nomensen University and I'm taking English Department Major 2008. For this time, I will present for you explain about our task, namely translation subject with the topic is translation quality. So in this chance, I will explain for you the definition of translation quality according to two experts. For the first expert is House, and for the second one is Nababan expert. So I hope you can follow my explanation. Okay, we are going for the first expert, namely from expert House. According to expert House, there are three aspects from translation quality. For the first is semantic aspect, for the second is pragmatic aspect, and for the third it's textual aspect. For the semantic aspect is focusing on the ways translation convey an ideas. But for the pragmatic aspects, it's focusing on the text and the context of the translation. While in textual, when we have to see the model of translation quality in an assessment, it's based on Hallidayan systematic functional theory. So for the dimension, if register, it must have field, tenor, and mode. So for the important for the investigation and translation evaluation, since the register dimension has a limitation to describe individual feature or linguistic service. So for individual textual function, there are two parts of this textual. First is register and gender. But for register, as I have explained, that there are three, namely field, tenor, and mode. While in field, it is subject matter and social action. In the tenor, participant relationship and elder province and states, social role relationship and social attitude. While in mode, it's medium or simple complex, and for participation or simple complex. So we are going for the second one experts, namely from Nababan. According to Nababan, it's described there are three also translation quality rubric. For the first is accuracy, accessibility, and reliability. So for the accuracy, it's described how the relationship between the text translation to the meaning of translate. It is have a good translate. You can see in the accuracy. While in acceptability, it helps the research to categorize the translation quality. So for the next is readability. And for the last, we can see for the example of scoring the translation quality, the means of score for the accuracy is 2 times 3 is 6, and for the accessibility 2.33 times 2 is 4.66, and for the readability 2.67 times 1 is 2.67. So the total we can get from this score is 14.01 divided 6. So the average we can get from this translation quality is 2.22. So from the table above, we can see the average of the translation quality 2.22. The average have described that all translated text is less accurate, means of the technical terms like accessibility and difficult to understand by the target reader. So that's the scoring of the translation quality for Nababan expert. Okay, well everyone, I think that's all for the translation quality explanation. I hope you can understand what I have explained. And for your good attention, I say thank you very much. See you!